Hi guys. All right, I have a very simple tip that will make your life so much easier if you're addicted to food like I am. Really simple. Are you ready? Don't buy and don't bring home any food that you know is not healthy. Anything processed, anything with a label on it, do not bring it home. Because if it's not home at your house, you won't crave it so much. If I know there's a bag of chips somewhere in my home, I will crave those chips until I eat them. So if I don't bring home anything but what I find at the farmer's market, like my fruits and my salad and my red peppers and all the healthy things that I'm allowed to eat, like kale chips, things like that, then I will only eat those things. And then when I go out, you're tested, your willpower is tested when you're outside, but at least in your home it's not. And so I invite you to try that because it will really make a difference in your health if everything at your house is healthy and that's all that you have to choose from. Really helpful. I hope that helps you, and it will definitely help your children as well. If it's not in the house, they don't get Cheetos or sodas or whatever the naughty things that kids crave. That's just not what you have in the household, and you make that standard practice, and your kids eventually, after a couple tantrums, will follow and understand it. In this home, we eat healthy and we honor our bodies. I hope that helps. Share with me any tips and tricks that you have as well, and I will continue to share with you. Lots of love.